Today we will study more questions from AP. We are continuing with the exercise 5.2 NCERT book exercise 5.2. Question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. 11th term is 38. That means A11 equal to 38. What is the meaning of 11th term? A11 means we know A plus 10D equal to 38, equation number 1. Because we know the formula. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is A plus n minus 1 into D. That means A11 is A plus 10D. A20 means A plus 19D. A100 means A plus 99D. So A11. Again in the question it is written 16th term. A16 equal to 73. A16 is 73. That means A plus 15D equal to 73. Equation number 2. Simply we can solve these two equations. A plus 10D is copied again. Equation number 1 is copied. We can do subtraction. 2 minus 1 implies A and A cancelled. 15 minus 5, 15 minus 10, 5D equal to 35. Therefore, D equal to 35 upon 5. 5 7s are 35. Substitute D equal to 7 in equation number 1. A plus 10 into 7 equal to 10D equal to 38. A plus 70 equal to 38. A equal to 38 minus 70. 32. Question is to find the 31st term. A31. A31 means A plus 30D. That is A is 32 plus minus 32. 38 minus 70 minus 32. From small number we are subtracting. Minus 32 plus 30 into D. What is D? D7. Minus 32 plus 210. 210 minus 32. 178. 178 is answer. A11 means A plus 10D. A16 means A plus 10D. So linear equation 2 variable. Simply solving linear equation 2 variable. Question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12. A3 equal to 12. That means A plus 2D equal to 12. Equation number 1. Last term is 106. What is the meaning of last term? Last term is same as 50th term. Why? Because it is written that only 50 terms are there. In the question it is written 50 terms are there and they are saying last term is 106. 106, that means A plus 49D equal to 106. Equation number 2. Exactly same. One equation, another equation, simply solving. A plus 2D equal to 12. A equal to 12 minus 4, 8. What is the question? Find the 29th time. 29th time, that means A29. A29 means A plus 28D. That is A is 8. 8 plus 28 into D. D is 2. 8 plus 56. 64. Question number 9. Same type of questions with a small difference. Question number 9. If the third term and ninth term are like this, a3 equal to 4, that means a plus 2d equal to 4, equation number 1. Ninth term, a9 equal to minus 8, that is a plus 8d equal to minus 8. Solving in the normal way, a plus 2d equal to 4, question number 1 copied. 2 minus 1 implies cancelled, 6d minus 8 minus 4. Minus 4 will be added, minus 12. D equal to minus 12 upon 6, minus 2. Substitute D equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. A plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 4. Equal to 4 plus 4, 8. Now what is needed? Which term of the AP is 0? Which term of the AP is 0? That means AN equal to 0 given already. Which term? There is an AP and one term is going to be 0. That is which term? AN equal to 0. A is there, D is there. AN formula A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 0. What is A? A is 8. 8 plus N minus 1. N minus 1 into D. D is minus 2 equal to 0. That is 8 will go there. 8 can go. N minus 1 into 8 plus, we can open the bracket also. 8 plus minus 2n plus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2n. 8 plus 2. 10 equal to 0. Minus 2n will go there. 10 equal to 2n. Yeah, we can say n equal to 10 by 2. That is n equal to 5. Fifth term is going to be 0. Ordinary substitution, this we studied in the beginning. If an is there, how to find n we know. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and that is given as a 0. So simply getting the answer. Question number 10. Question number 10. If 17th term of an AP is exceeding 10th term by 7, 17th term of an AP is exceeding 10th term, that means the 17th term is bigger. Difference is given. 17th term, that means A17 minus exceeding 10th term, A10 equal to 7, exceeding by 7. Like a height of two people, my height is exceeding your height by 1 feet. So what you can say? My height minus your height is 1 feet. 17th time is exceeding than this 10th time, that means it is smaller, it is bigger, so difference is 7. Exceeding by 7, it is given A17 minus A10 equal to 7. So A17 is what? A plus 16D minus A10, A plus 9D, bracket compulsory, because here not necessary but here necessary. This minus is for A10. Now A10 is expanded out, so bracket compulsory. A plus 16D minus A minus 9D equal to 7. A and A cancelled, 16 minus 9. 7D equal to 7, therefore D equal to 7 by 7, D equal to 1. Question is, find a common difference. We cannot calculate A because two variables is there, A and D, two variables are there and only one equation. So question is to find D, that is calculated on. Question number 11 again, different question. Main work is same but small difference in the question. Which time of the AP will be 132 more than 54th time? AP is given as a 3, 15, 27, 39, etc. This is a AP given. So A is a 3, D is 15 minus 3, that is 12. n equal to which term will be 132 more than 54th term? N equal to 54. What is the meaning? Which term is going to be 132 more than 54th term? So question is not about the 54th time, but still we have to find the 54th time surely. Because after finding 54th time, we have to think about the time which is more than 54th time. So first we will think about the 54th time. What is A54? An equal to A plus n minus 1 into d, that is normal formula. Now we need a A54. A54 means A plus 3 plus n minus 1, that is 54 minus 1 into d. D is 12, that is 3 plus 53 into 12. What is this? 3 plus 53 into 12, that is 53 into 12, that is 636, that is 639 after addition. This is A54. Now our question is what? Our question is about 132 more than A54. So first we calculated A54. Now we can think about 132 more than A54. That is 132 plus 639. 639 plus 132. How much? 771. So the question is about 771. 771 is which time? So we will take it as An. An equal to 771. And An formula is n. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So An is 771 equal to A plus A is 3 plus n minus 1 we don't know into d. What is d in our question? D is 12. 3 will come here. 771 minus 3 is equal to 12n minus 12. 771, that is 769. 68 equal to 12n minus 12 plus 2 will come, plus 12 will come now. 768 plus 12 equal to 12n. How much? 780 equal to 12n. Therefore n equal to 780 by 12. With a 6 cutting is possible, with a directly 12 also, isn't it? 6 2s are 6 80. So we can say 80th time is 771. 771 means 132 more than 54th time. So required number is 80. I hope it is clear. Oh, it was not 80, it was, here I did a mistake. 6 2 times, 6 here 1 times, and then 1 balances 18, 3. 130 by 2, that is 65. That is 65. Answer is 65. 65th time is this one. Okay, I hope it is clear. Next question is question number 12. Case written. Two APs have same common difference. Difference between their 100th time is 100. What is the difference between 1000th time? Can you say directly? Yeah, let me explain with an example. Suppose one AP 50, 60, 70, etc. Common difference is 10. Another one 75, 85, 95, etc. Common difference is again 10. Here D is a 10, and for this also D is a 10. Both are having common difference of 10, increasing by 10, 10, 10, 10, etc. 50, 60, 70, 75, 85, 95, etc. Now, what is the difference between first time? 50 and 75 difference is 25. Difference between second time 60 and 85, 25, 70 and 95, 25 only. So everywhere difference is going to be. If the difference between first times are 25, then everywhere it will be after writing 100th time, difference will be 25 only. Okay, because it is increasing in a steady manner and already it is ahead 75, started with the 75, that means already we can say 75 is ahead of 50 by 25. So always it will be ahead. Like example, when we say police and the thief. Okay, the police is chasing the thief. Okay, and the distance is already there as a 5 meter. 5 meter, thief is already ahead of police. So gap is there, 5 meter gap is there. And suppose both have like this 50 and 75. Okay, gap is already, this one is ahead, thief is ahead. Now the thing is, if both are having same speed, what will happen after 2 hours? After 2 hours, what will happen? Nothing will happen. They will sit and take rest. Both will sit and take rest. Both will be getting tired after running for 2 hours. Both will sit and take rest. And the thing is, at that time also they will be having the same gap, because both are having same speed. So here also 5 meter gap will be there. Both will sit and they will agree to sit and take some rest, because speed is same. Both the APs common difference is same. So after 1 hour also, after 2 hour also, yeah, after 100th time also will be same, 1000th time also will be same, always it will be same. Okay, so what we can say, our answer is difference between required answer, difference equal to, difference will be same as 100. Okay, now question number 13. Question number 13, application question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Which are the numbers, 3-digit numbers? First 3-digit number is 100, 101, 102, 103, etc. 105 we know, divisible by 7. Then 5 plus 7, 12, 112 divisible, that we know. First 3-digit number 105 divisible, because we know the table. Then plus 5 plus 7, 1 1 9, etc. But anyway, last we don't know. Last anyway we don't know, because biggest 3-digit number is 999, and then that much bigger table we don't know. Whether 999 is divisible, yeah, 998 divisible, we don't know. So there is a technique for doing this. And since it is a 7, we know the table. But if it is a 13, yeah, bigger number, 20, 27, yeah, 29, we don't know the table. So what to do? What is the technique? Write the smallest number. What is the smallest 3-digit number? Smallest 3-digit number is 100, and the biggest 3-digit number equal to 999. Now the technique is this one, simply do the division by 7. Balance is 2. Biggest number also we will divide with the 7. Four 7s are 28, balance 1, balance 5. Okay. Smallest number is 100. Here the after division remainder is 2. So 7 minus 2 equal to 5. This will be therefore smallest 3-digit number divisible by 7 will be same as 100 plus 5, 105. 105. Not adding here, subtracting 2. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 will be added 105. Now biggest, how to get a biggest 3-digit number divisible by 7 equal to 999 minus 5, 994. So we can write AP directly. AP starting from 105. AP is going to be 105. Already we wrote 105, but because it is a 7 only. But if it is complicated number, we can't write like this. So we will use this technique starting from 105 plus 7, 112 plus 7, 119, etc. Last time is going to be 994. Last anyway we were not knowing, isn't it? So this is the technique. After getting AP, now we know what to do. How many times are there? How many 3-digit numbers are there? That means which time is this AN? A is 105. N equal to, we don't know, question mark. AN is there as 994. D equal to 7. Increasing by 7. So formula, same formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 994. A plus 105 plus N minus 1 into D. D is 7. 994 minus 105 equal to 7N minus 7. How much? 994 minus 105 equal to 889. 889. Now this will come plus 7 equal to 7N. Plus 7 means it is going to be 896 equal to 7N. Therefore N equal to 896 upon 7. 128 numbers will be there which are divisible by 7. I hope it is clear. I want to explain that technique once again. That technique. Smallest number we will write. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Biggest 3-digit number is 999. From the small, when we do the division, remainder is 2. Now when remainder is 2, nothing will be done with the 2. What to do is 7 minus 2, 5 will be taken. Why 7 minus 2, 5? And here balance is a 5, that 5 will be subtracted. This procedure I can explain with one example. Okay, one example. Suppose some activity in the school. Okay, maybe for helping the poor people. Okay, going for a trip for a orphanage or somewhere. Okay, so the teachers planned that distribution of things will be there, and one particular teacher is saying, okay, in my class all of you bring the milk in the bottle. Okay, 1 liter bottle. So the condition given is only this much. All of you can bring, offer any amount of bottle, any number of bottle. Only condition is it should be fully filled bottle, sealed bottle. Okay, 1 bottle milk, that means 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, any number of bottle you can bring. That is a condition given. Okay, now only thing is, in order to handle the things easily, it should be, in order to make it easy for handling, it should be fully sealed bottle. Okay. Now the child is coming and asking to parents how much is available. Now the mommy is saying 1 bottle fully filled bottle is available, another bottle is available, and here little bit milk is also there. Mommy is saying, okay, you take any amount, no problem, you take it full. Now the child is saying condition is either fully filled bottle. That means child has got 2 options. Which are the 2 options? Taking 2 bottle, forgetting about this one, taking these 2 bottle and submitting in the school in order to distribute to poor people. Okay, so these two will be taken to school, forgetting about this balance. Which example? First or second? Second example. Forgetting about the balance 5. So because I am not thinking about the next one, I am thinking to leave the balance. I cannot add it now. If I am adding little bit, then it will become 4-digit number. It is maximum. 999 is maximum. I cannot add even 1. So I have to do only subtraction. Now subtraction means simply whatever be the amount left, that will be removed, avoided. So 2 bottle, this case balance will be rejected. Now I have second option. What is the second option? adding water, isn't it? Adding water and then bringing 3 bottles to teacher. Submitting 3 bottles, saying that yes, proudly coming and giving to teacher and saying that yes, we have 3 bottles. I am bringing 3 bottles. Okay, now which is easy? First is easy or second? First is easy because no worry, no tension, simply leaving it and bringing 2 bottles because teacher didn't say any condition, any number of bottle. Now this one means attention is needed. Why? Because doing the wrong thing. First thing is we should be careful. Why we should be careful? 2 problems. If I am keeping it under the one running tap, within seconds it will be filled with the water and this also will overflow. So we should be very careful how much more can be added, how much water has to be added, that we have to be careful. That is what is done. 7 minus 2, 2 is already there, little bit milk is already there, how much more can be added? 7 minus 2, 5 can be added. So only that much water has to be added. If I am keeping under the running tap, then within seconds everything will get destroyed. Water will overflow, means carrying milk also. Second thing, we have to be careful, others should not see, neighbor should not see, isn't it? Otherwise, if you are standing in the balcony and running tap, we are filling water, and then neighbor will see, and then before we reach the school, message will reach to the school